Welcome to the Zenture 3-part video series. This module is focused on the inventory functions of the platform, so right now let's do a quick demo and look at some of the key features. Here we can see our centralized inventory management. This gives the ability to view and manage all of the client's inventory, including their sites, contacts, services, firewalls, and more in a single place. Let's select a specific client right here. There's several different fields to choose from, and all the clients can have different sites. Through our automated site creation function, it's much easier to create new sites for a client and populating the relevant details. The sites all have contacts, services, firewalls, SD-WANs, LAN infrastructure, contracts, site documents, and projects. And each of the clients can have their own contacts, quotes, and client documents. In addition, there's also the site view. You can filter by client or simply see all the clients. You can filter by the address or clients as well as other options. The service section allows for comprehensive service tracking, which allows for the detailed tracking of various service types, including their specifications and configurations, enables efficient service management and troubleshooting. Here in the contract and documentation section, we centralize all the relevant contracts, documents, and network configurations in the system that provides for easy access and reference. In addition, there's a site map where you can see the location of all the different clients. Here you can see all the sites for all the clients, or you can filter them by specific clients. Or filter by active projects. You can also see the specific status of the sites, as well as some additional information. You can also filter by type. You can also select a filter by vendor, let's say AT&T. And we'll select our OEMs. So just an example, let's create a new site. We'll call it Middletown. We'll say the city is Middletown. We'll say the site is an office. We'll insert the street. We'll insert the zip code. We'll put this in the United States. We simply press the Create button. We can now see the new site is included in the site map because we can see its location. So now let's filter by client. As you can see, we have the new site right here. If you click on the site, you're already connected to the site view, where you can add contacts, services, as well as all the additional elements that we have listed. Let's go ahead and create the contact. We'll call it John Williams. Let's insert the email. We'll put in the phone number. We'll say it's a local contact. Next, let's create the service. So we have all these different types of services. We'll select Internet. So let's choose point-to-point. For example, in addition, you want to fill all the fields. We'll say it's an MPLS. If you choose MPLS, you have different fields. Let's select Internet service. You can choose the provider. We'll say AT&T. It's going to be a dedicated internet access. Under media, we'll put fiber. Under bandwidth, we'll put 500. The last mile provider will be Verizon. You can see the services there, including firewalls, infrastructure, etc. Let's go ahead and create the contract for the service. So you have the service we've already created, Internet AT&T. We'll call that contract number 1. We'll have the start date and then an end date. You can also choose a file from here. We're going to go ahead and create that. You can also add site documents, like maybe a network infrastructure doc. You can also add type like network configuration and call it My Network. You can add an additional file from here. And simply press the Create button. You can add as many elements as your site needs. You can see that this is the file. This concludes the demo, but once again, here are the key main features: centralized inventory management, automated site creation, integrated contact management, comprehensive service tracking, and contract and documentation centralization. Thanks for watching.